Hi, I'm Jim from Certified Ducts, and we're an online training course just for people wanting to learn about the air duct cleaning industry. Certified Ducts is hands down the most comprehensive online training course you can take, and it's great for people just getting started, entrepreneurs just starting out, or for new hires and the boss wants to speed up their learning curve. You'll learn all about central heating and cooling systems, because you have to know what it is you're cleaning in order to understand why it needs to be cleaned. You'll also learn about the different types of duct cleaning equipment, from duct trucks to portables, so you're not wasting thousands of dollars buying the wrong gear. You also learn about things like airlines freezing, why do they freeze and how to get by it. What's better to run, a duct truck in this particular job or a portable? And how much air pressure do I actually need? And what type of compressor should I be buying? And most important, we actually teach you how to clean duct systems in most residential applications. We don't get into big commercial stuff, only residential. But you'll spend far less time wasting time trying to figure out how to do things, because you can take the 40 years of experience that we have adapted into this class and use it to your good use. So your confidence will go up, and most importantly, job quality will go up, because you have a better idea of where to cut the holes, why you're doing what you're doing, where to introduce your tools, your scorpion whips and such, so that you actually have a much faster learning curve figuring this out. You don't want to spend months trying to scratch your head figuring out where to cut a hole or where to put the hole in the duct. The Certified Ducts course goes over much of this stuff, and it's great for residential air duct cleaning. And at the end of it all, if you're an entrepreneur and you're just starting out, we have a partner company called Brand Ducts, and Brand Ducts is there to help you with making sales videos, making your website, helping you with Facebook ads. And because we have such a long background in the air duct cleaning industry, we've developed pretty good methods on how to market the air duct cleaning business. And so we can help you get started with that as well. So check out brandducts.com. All in all, the Certified Ducts online course is about 6 hours in length, and it's all videos. And there's also certification tests you can take at the end of the course, and that's mainly for bosses wanting to make sure their employees have actually watched the videos and also understood the concepts in those videos. So that will help you to become what we call a Certified Ducts Pro. Certified Ducts will not make you an expert in the air duct cleaning industry. It's mainly for helping people, beginners starting out, and to speed up your learning curve so that you're not wasting a ton of time and wasting a ton of money buying the wrong gear and wasting money doing things you shouldn't be doing or causing damage in people's homes. We'll go over a lot of that stuff in the video. So if you get a chance, click the link. It's not a lot of money. It's 6 hours out of your time, maybe 7 hours. To go through all the courses, go through all the videos, and then also if you have questions after the fact, once you become a Certified Ducts student, we're there to help you through with questions on online support. If you're not sure about certain things, you can call us on the phone, do FaceTimes, and we can help you walk through different scenarios. If you're at a job site, you're not sure how to do stuff. So even after you've taken the course, we're still there to help support you after the fact. So if you have any questions, call us. It's me or Scott that usually answers the phone, and we're happy to help you. Thanks very much.